Listen to this. 5 signs that you're in a one-way relationship. Number 1, every time phone calls go through, it seems like you're the one that always initiate contact. You're the first to call. You're the first to always check in. If you're always doing it, that means you're in a one-way relationship. Number 2, every time you and this person is intimate, you always have to initiate it. It's a turn-off that every time you guys have sex, you always have to initiate sex. That is not healthy. Sometimes other people want to feel like that person want them also. If every time you initiate intimacy, it seems like you're going to eventually get bored because it's like you always have to always go knocking. They never come knocking for you. Number 3, you always change your schedule to accommodate their schedule. It seems like their things are more priority than yours. Their family is more priority. What they want to do is more priority. It's never about you. If that's the case, that's definitely one-way relationship. Number 4, your efforts aren't reciprocated, meaning when it's their birthday, it's Christmas, they want you to fly to the solar system and get the stars in the heavens. But when it comes time to giving you a gift, they give you the grass on earth. That means clearly you're not being reciprocated with the same energy of expectations. Number 5, you have become more so a need rather than a want. See, being needed is not always healthy because I need God, I need water, I need breath so I can wake up every day and oxygen. But needing a person is not a healthy relationship. You should always want a person. Wants are different, meaning I choose you. When you want something, it's a choice. When you need something, that means that person has clearly power over the fact that they know you need them. That's not a healthy relationship. If those are the 5 things you're in, you are definitely in a one-sided relationship. Don't let that go over your head.